Well, the moment has come. Back to work.
Good morning, it's me, William. Welcome to my HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your site more multimedia, adding links, films, audios, pictures, etc. So let's start with making a link. So first, obviously, you have to have a link, and then just right after me, a equals. Put a link. It's going to be a link for my channel because I don't have any links. I mean, it was the first that I thought about, and then you just make this. So you don't want to have a pure link, so I'm going to call it creative. So just write this, save it. This is going to be for later part of the video. Open tutorial, click the link, smash the button, and press subscribe. Okay, so now the next part. So you may want to add your own pictures to the side. So just write img src equals, then write the name of this file. This file have to be in the same folder where the HTML file is, except if you put the full path, this path, what's in the folders, like C users, so because I have my pictures and everything on my monitor, so I'm just going to just write it. And now we're just going to write this, and boom, we have our picture on our side. It's obviously big because I always make the big pictures, but you see how it should look. Okay, so now we have a picture. So now let's make an audio file. So I'm going to take the music from one of my mapping videos because this was ready music. I didn't even have to search for any other. So let's type audio source equals, then your file audio in okay, and now controls audio save. So we have now this, and when you're going to press it, we're going to have our music. Obviously there's no music because I have muted in OBS because but give me a second. Okay, that's going to work now. So you may hear it, it's really loud. So no more music for today. Okay, so now let's go to our and make a video. That's what everyone likes. I mean, you're on YouTube, so you obviously should like the videos. If you want, you can like my videos. Okay, so now let's go to a video. So give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So this is the right thing you have to do. So you just write video control source, entire source type of the video, and the video. So how is it going to look like now? Here you have our video. It's obviously the first episode of our HTML tutorial, and
Well, the moment has come. Back to work.
hey guys, it's me, Woody, and welcome to my part 2 HTML tutorial. In this tutorial you're going to Woodyception. Wow! So that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new. See ya!